From the makers of WeFone is the WF10 drone. Indoor flying drone, 21 minutes in total of flight time, 70 minutes of charge time. You're given 2 charging ports, 3 batteries, spare propellers, a precision screwdriver, controller, and drone, and a carrying case. We're going to show you what's inside the box, how to set up, and a flight demonstration. 360 flip, hand gesture, VR control, an HD camera, 3 speeds. You get the drone, controller, battery, spare parts. On the propeller, this is prop A, marked A over here. 2 USB chargers with a charging indicator. Plugs into the bottom of the unit by the connector like so. Put into a charging brick, 70 minutes of charge time. When the red indicators go out, you are fully charged. A precision screwdriver to repair your drone and transmitter. The drone case has a fishnet that you could put in your spare parts and your instruction guide. The instruction guide of the WF10 has a layout of your product and a smartphone application to download. With the spare batteries, you have a spot in the case, or simply turning over the controller, unlocking, and remove the door to place in each individual battery. 3 AAA batteries are not included to run the controller. Close up and lock down. By going over the information provided, will get you started with your drone by going down on both joysticks to the outer edges or removing the template and hitting the left button will calibrate your unit every single time you operate your drone. On the controller, you have your phone cradle that opens up to a nice large phone, the on and off button with the double beep, 3 LED indicators, your calibration, your takeoff, your landing, your headless mode, your trim buttons, and on the top will be your speed, slow, medium, fast, and your 360 with the direction you choose to do your flips. Rubber landing feet, metal bars, plastic body, on and off switch, and blue LED indicator and a red LED indicator inside. With your battery cradle and locking mechanism, your motor and your propellers with the optical flow state on the bottom and your stationary HD 1080p camera along with your antenna located on the bottom. To place in the battery with the high end in the back, slide into the unit, snap into place. To remove the battery on top center, simply pull away from the front towards the back. On a leveled surface, install your battery. On the controller, open up the door. Turn on the drone first. You have a blue blinking light. Simply hit the on button and the drone will set up. To calibrate 2 ways, the left button, a rapid flashlight. To calibrate via joystick, down into the opposite ends. To activate, start your drone, a tap up. And to take off, where the camera is facing is your head by going up on the joystick, rotating, and trimming with the right buttons. A close-up look to the actual camera of the drone flying. Shut down your drone, your controller, remove the battery, And if you need to repair a propeller, grab around the motor, around the propeller, pull, place on a new propeller like so. Opening up the application, you're going to plug in your drone. You're going to turn on the drone. Right hand mode, left hand mode, lens reversal. Calibrate your drone. Start your drone. In order to get the drone to work, you're going to set up your phone first. In your settings, you're going to look for Wi-Fi. You're going to look for FPV Pro, your serial number. Connect. Open up the application again. Checking device. Start. Your drone is set up, your HD camera. Your HD camera, there is your video, your quality. As you open up your camera, you hit start, and your drone is ready to go. Your hand gesture. So if I was to make a hand gesture, a V. Your camera. Your video. Your folders, where your video and photos are taken. The amount of power, the signal, the phone, the controls, the on and off, the 3 dashes, joystick, your waypoints, and so forth. The controller must be off in order to use your smartphone. So we're going to start. We're going to take off. Slow takeoff. Your WF10 drone can be flown via the smartphone or your controller, one or the other. The WF10 drone can be flown via the controller or smartphone. The WeFone WF10 drone, great for indoor flying, learning on the smartphone, and more, with hand gestures, waypoints, and so forth. Enjoy your drone if you are looking for an indoor fly.